Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Taylor and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys with me to shop at Marshalls. It is currently raining really hard outside right now, but anyways, I'm going to be taking you guys with me to shop at Marshalls. I'm going to be showing you all the high-end deals I can find. I'm going to be showing you makeup, skincare, there's some perfume. So if you guys are interested, just keep watching. But before we start the video, go ahead and hit that like button down below and subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you. Also, make sure you have your post notifications turned on so you don't miss an upload. Also, guys, I am having a giveaway going on right now. I will leave that in the description linked below. I'm giving away a Gucci bag, so if you guys want to go enter that, it will be in the description below. Without any further ado, let's go shopping at Marshalls. So I am going to be starting with makeup, and honestly they didn't really have too much makeup products today at Marshalls, but the first thing I seen was this Bare Minerals set. It's a highlighter and a brush, and then I found this ABH glow kit, and I bought one of these like a long time ago when they had them for like $19.99, and now they have them for $12.99, but I thought it was a little weird that there's a sticker on it that says made in China, because when I bought one it did not have that sticker. Okay, so I'm going to insert this little clip right here because I believe this is a fake Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit palette, and the reasoning behind that is well, first of all, when I was videoing in the store, I thought that was really strange that it had a sticker that said made in China, because a long time ago I did buy a Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit at Marshalls or TJ Maxx, and it was the exact same one, and it never had a sticker on it that said made in China. Also, at the time when I did buy the glow kit, it was $19.99 and not $12.99. Usually they retail for around $40 in like Ulta or Sephora. So $12.99 is really cheap. So I just kind of thought that was weird about the sticker. So then I started thinking, I'm like, what if this is a fake palette? So then I look up on the internet like the comparison between a fake one and a real one, and I will throw the pictures up on the screen right here in this video to show you guys the difference. And basically it said a fake one is going to be like a brighter blue. The packaging is going to be a brighter blue than the real one, and also the fake one is going to be more of a holographic look on the packaging, and I know that that's true. On my real one, it is a very, very light blue. Like, it's almost white. It's such a light blue, and it's not holographic. And it also said that the lettering and everything on the fake one is going to be a lot more bolder than it would be on the real one. So then I was looking at the pictures of the real ones and comparing it to the one I found in Marshalls, and it definitely is, the one I found in Marshalls definitely is a lot brighter blue. The packaging is really holographic, and the lettering on it is a lot more bolder black than on my real one. So I really do believe that this is a fake Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit palette. Now, I'm not like an expert on spotting out fake things or anything like that, but I really do believe it. And I could totally be completely wrong, but by like what I seen and what I looked up and what I know about a fake one, this one I found at Marshalls is matching it like identically. And so like, I don't know, I'm not sure, but this is my opinion that it's fake. But I'm not sure. Like, I couldn't open it up and look in it really because it was like sealed and there was a sticker. So, and I don't want to be that person that opens makeup at TJ Maxx, but I really do believe that it is a fake palette. Now, you guys, I'm gonna throw all the pictures up of the real versus the fake and everything like that, and you guys can come to your own conclusion about it. And maybe if you know more about like fake palettes and real palettes, you can like comment down below and let me know your opinion and your guys' thoughts, because I would love to know what you guys think. Now I have some Clinique mascara. I've never really used that much Clinique products, but this is a mascara from them for $7.99. And now there is a milk makeup stick, and I think this is a blush stick. I'm not too sure because I couldn't see what it was on the product. I couldn't read it. It has this plastic cover over the product, and it is in the shade Quickie. I'm really pretty sure it's a blush stick. And then there was a lot of Becca products actually at Marshall's. First is this setting spray. It's a primer and a setting spray for $9.99. I thought this was so cute. It's a little mini MAC Fix Plus spray. I thought this was so cute, and it's like the bottle's like pink, and it's like a mini version of the full size version, and I think this was $9.99. And then now more Becca products. Like I said, there was quite a few Becca products. This is a highlighter. It was not also $9.99, and I didn't open it because it was already sealed, or I would have opened it and showed you guys what the color shade of the highlighter was, but it was sealed and I did not want to disturb the packaging. And now we have some more beauty blender foundations, and I have been seeing a lot of beauty blender foundations here lately, and I actually bought one a while ago and I did like it a lot. Now we have some more Becca highlighting. This is a highlighting stick. There was a lot of Becca, and it was more like just Becca highlighters and highlighting, liquid highlighters and stuff. And this was actually in the shade Champagne Pop, and that was with Jaclyn Hill. And now there's this Becca Sunsetter highlighter, and this one is really pretty. They had a bunch of different ones of these, like several different ones, and this was $12.99. And the shade was really pretty. There was actually one open, so I'll show you guys the shade. It's a really pretty like golden shade. This would be perfect for like summertime, and I think it's like you can put it on your face or your body, so this would be really pretty in like summertime. Like I said, there wasn't that much makeup, so I'm pretty much done with makeup and moving on to just lipsticks. There was quite a bit of lipsticks. This is a Clinique lipstick in the shade Wine and Dine. I'm not sure what that shade looks like. It was a sealed package, so I didn't want to open it. And now we have an ABH lipstick. This is a liquid lipstick, and it's in the shade Taboo. They actually had two of these for $5.99, and that's all the ABH lipstick they had. Now there's a Marc Jacobs concealer. I actually thought this was a lipstick when I was recording, but this is actually a concealer for $9.99, and I am not sure the shade on that either. Now we have Bobbi Brown lip oil infused lip balm thing, and it is $9.99. Now I have some Laura Mercier lipsticks. These lipsticks are so pretty. The shades were so pretty, and I'm really kicking myself for not getting one, but they were $9.99. It was like a super pretty mauve color, and then we have this one, is it like a more of a nude color. They were both so pretty, and I wish I would have got them. They were, like I said, they were $9.99. I'm not really sure how much these retail for, but this is the first time I've ever seen a Laura Mercier lipstick. Usually it's just like the powder. And now there is a Stila lipstick set, and I'm pretty sure I've videoed this before. I've seen this quite a bit, but it was $9.99. Okay, and this is something I have never seen at Marshalls or TJ Maxx. I know I seen this when it hit the drugstore, but this is a Physicians Formula set. This is like an extremely good deal. This is $7.99, and alone just the butter bronzer is $15 at the drugstore. So this is a extremely good deal. I was so tempted to get this, but I did not. I really wasn't a fan of the eyeshadow colors down below, but I almost got it just for the butter bronzer. And this is a MAC mini lipstick set. These shades are like a different red shades. I know I seen a nudes, like different nude shades one before at TJ Maxx, but this one is reds. And now we have Hemp's Mind and Body. This is basically just a set. There's a bath bomb, lotion, and I'm not really sure what the other one is, maybe a body wash, but I love this brand. And this is something I've never seen before. I wasn't too sure what it was. I seen it was a sleeping mask, but I really wasn't sure what it was. And like you guys see, this one has like that thing on it, so I really couldn't open it and look. But when I went over to a different section, there was another one of these without the thing on it, and I opened it, and it's basically a cover for your eyes while you're sleeping. It's like a sleeping mask, not like a skincare sleeping mask, just a sleeping mask that you put over your eyes. I thought that was really cool, and I was wondering if this like smelled like watermelon or if it was just like watermelon like design on it. So now I'm going to be moving on to like lash products. They have, as you guys can see, there was several different like fake eyelashes and different mascaras and everything. There is some like eyebrow products. There's just like a bunch of different like eyebrow and mascara and lashes here. So the first thing I'm going to be showing you guys are these lashes right here. This is Kiss lashes, and actually recently I just bought a pair very similar to this at Ulta for way more than $4.99. And then now we have some Milk Makeup mascara, and this is actually the Kush mascara, and I have tried this before. I've tried the mascara. This is the primer, so I've never tried this one before, but I've tried the Kush mascara from there, and I really did like it, so the primer is probably really good too. And now we have this lash vanity. This is actually like a little mirror you can hold to apply your lashes, and then a tool to help you apply your lashes. This is really cute. I really liked it. Now we have some Maybelline eyebrow pomade. I think it's pomade. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's just a tint. But anyway, I have used Maybelline brow products before, and I really like them. And there's some mascaras. This is a Revlon mascara for $3.99, and that's a pretty good deal. I mean, even for drugstore mascara, these are pretty good prices, because at the drugstore I think they're like a little bit more than that. So this is a CoverGirl mascara, also $3.99. And then now here is some Ardell lashes. Ardell like lashes are really good. They have them at Ulta, and I know they have them at Ulta for way more than $4.99, so I think this is a pretty good deal. And now I'm gonna start showing you guys some skincare that I have found. There's like a ton of skincare. There's way more skincare than there is makeup. Like I said, there really wasn't that much makeup products, but they definitely had a ton of like lotions and skincare products. And the first thing is this Elizabeth Arden body lotion. It is $7.99, and it did smell like really good. So I never really heard of the brand Body Prescriptions, but they did have a lot of that at Marshall's, and this is a scrub. This is a coconut and sea salt facial scrub. Now we have some Aveeno Baby. This is a like moisturizing cream for babies, and it was $3.99. And then there's this foot lotion. This is for calluses. It's an exfoliating cream. So I wonder if this would be good or not. I was tempted to get it and try it when I do like a pedicure at home, but it was $4.99, and I really wasn't sure if it was gonna work. Now there's some Olay body wash for $4.49. Like I said, this is like this is a drugstore like brand, and this is pretty good price for that. Even at the drugstore, it's more expensive than that. And now there's some hand soap. This is not like no special brand or anything. I just thought this was like a fancy hand soap for $5.99. And there's some the Body Shop body butter, and this is like in the scent, like an orange scent. I didn't smell it, but it is only $2.99. Okay, so I was like really shocked when I seen this. This is like basically like kind of like a knockoff version of Truly Beauty. This is the boob cream, and this is the Unicorn Body Butter Whipped Body Butter, but this is like a knockoff of Truly Beauty. I don't know if you guys are familiar with that, but those usually are like $20 a piece, and these are $6.99. But again, it's like it's not that brand, so I wonder if like they might not be as good, but still it's worth a try for only $6.99. Now we have another body and foot scrub for $6.99. And another body butter. This is Tree Hut for $4.99. I think Tree Hut brand is like kind of drugstore. I think I've seen them at Walmart before. But yeah, and this is a Vaseline lotion. I have used this lotion a lot, and I really do like this lotion, and this is like extremely a good deal for this kind of lotion. And now there's Hemp's. This is a little mini lotion, but I love Hemp's lotion. It works really good. This is the little mini one is $3.99. That's still a good deal. Now we're moving on to perfume. And there was quite a bit of perfume. This is a Versace set for $54.99, and that's a really good deal because this comes with like a regular size perfume of Versace perfume. It comes with body wash and a lotion, so this is a really good deal. And now there is Guess perfume. Like Guess is a designer, but their perfume, this was only $9.99, so that's a really good deal, I think. But like I couldn't smell any of these perfumes really, guys, because like obviously you guys can see they are in their little containers, and they all have like plastic over them, so I'm not really familiar with like the scents on any of these and like the brands really. So yeah, this is Coach perfume for $49.99, I think $46.99. This is a Burberry perfume. Like I said, I'm not familiar with the scent, but this one was $39.99, and I'm not really sure how much like these perfumes retail for. I'm just really not into perfumes like that. I do buy perfume, but I'm not like big into it. This is a Michael Kors for $21.99. And now this one is the one I was like shocked. This is Saint Laurent perfume for $49.99. I almost bought this one, but like I didn't know what the smell was, so I didn't, but this is a really good deal. Alright guys, that is all I have for you in today's video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button down below and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you guys are interested, make sure you go enter my giveaway, and I will see you guys in my next video.